Do you want a 5-minute breakfast that keeps you full for hours? No sugar, no gluten, no cooking. This creamy breakfast in a glass is healthy, simple, and perfect for busy mornings. Hi everyone, welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. Today, I'm sharing another quick and healthy breakfast you can prepare in just 5 minutes. It's creamy, chocolatey, naturally sweet, and perfect if you want something filling but light. Let's start. 1/2 cup gluten-free rolled oats or almond flour for lower carbs. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoon cinnamon, 1 scoop vanilla or unflavored protein powder, optional but great for fullness, 3/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons stevia or monk fruit, 1/2 banana, optional for natural sweetness, a few chopped nuts on top. In a glass jar or bowl, add the oats and chia seeds. Step 2. Add cocoa powder and cinnamon. Mix well so everything combines evenly. Step 3. Add peanut butter and protein powder. Step 4. Pour in almond milk. Step 5. Add stevia or monk fruit to taste. Step 6. Mix everything very well until creamy. Now here's the magic part. You can eat it immediately for a soft texture, or refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or overnight for thick, pudding-style oats. Top with sliced banana, nuts, or even a little extra peanut butter. Why it's healthy. This breakfast is high in fiber, rich in healthy fats, packed with protein, no refined sugar, gluten-free. The chia seeds help keep you full. The peanut butter gives healthy fats. And the cocoa makes it taste like dessert. But it's healthy. Try this tomorrow morning and tell me in the comments. Do you prefer it fresh or overnight? If you enjoyed this healthy 5-minute breakfast, please like, share, and subscribe to Eat Clean Daily for more simple and clean recipes. See you in the next video.